Hey peeps, Candace here with Kim's Only One Life, and I need to start my ATCs for October-November swap over at the Facebook group. I found this really cool picture. We're doing Peanuts and Pumpkins, as in Peanuts, the cartoon character by Charles Schulz, and I found this really pretty pumpkin picture. And so I thought, I want to use this as my background and then work around it. Because it's already almost the end of October while I'm doing this, I want to get a head start. So I'm not doing my normal sort of background. And so I printed this out and then I glued it on. So let's get going on this one and see what we can come up with. So I had drawn and colored this woodstock a few years ago for another swap, and when I print him out, he doesn't really come out sort of that more gold, so I thought I might have to color these in, but I don't know, maybe I'll just use the yellow. It's nice still. So let me put these on my brother's scan and cut, and let me cut this and see how that goes. A little wink of Stella in yellow is going to brighten these up. So I have been really struggling to get into my craft room this month. At least like the last 5-6 weeks I have like barely been in here. So because of that, and I'm running out of time to get these done, I did get these all sparkly. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but they are sparkly and they're ready to go on. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to color with some stickles. This is the Tropical Tangerine. This is one of my favorite colors. And then I have some True Blue. So I hope I have enough to do these, because and my last favorite stickles is Stardust stickles. This one, I always keep an extra one on hand. Well, there's my finished product. Lots of sparkles in it. I am not super happy with the fact that I didn't do my own background or add more embellishments, but like I said, I've been having trouble getting into the craft room, so this month will be simple, and I'll try something different next time, hopefully. So thanks for joining. If you are interested in joining, you can go look at the Facebook group, and if you don't use Facebook, you can email me at the email below. If you are interested in doing some trading of artist trading cards, we send in 5 and you get 5 back from 5 different people. Super fun. We've had really some beautiful art coming through that I just absolutely have loved. So the next one will be in January. because the holidays are coming up. So this one is due to go out tomorrow. So hopefully everyone in the group has got theirs done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.